Welcome to our channel. Disabling or adjusting the auto lock timer on Safari involves changing your device's settings rather than Safari-specific settings. Follow these steps to modify the auto lock behavior. Step 1. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app from your home screen. Step 2. Tap on Display and Brightness to access screen-related settings for your device. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Auto Lock to view available timeout options. Step 4. Select your preferred auto lock duration from the available options, including 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or never. Step 5. If you choose never, be aware that this can significantly drain your battery and potentially compromise device security. Step 6. Consider using a longer timeout like 5 minutes instead of completely disabling auto lock for a better balance between convenience and security. Step 7. For Safari-specific reading sessions, use Safari's Reader View, which can help prevent screen dimming during long reading sessions. Step 8. Return to Safari and test your new settings by leaving a web page open and observing when the screen locks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.